This is Jason Jackson with Special Moments Fundraising, back with another session of Best of the Best. In this session, we're going to cover $2 popcorn fundraisers. I found 3 programs online, and I'm going to compare them for you. The first program I found started with the letter D, the company, and they offer a program where you can purchase 100 bags in a case, and you can purchase various flavors, but you have to order 100 at a time. They're not distributed in a variety pack. So say you wanted 5 caramel and 10 cheddar cheese and 15 kettle corn in a carrier. You would have to pull out that many, and they don't offer a carrier. They offer these like little Walmart sacks. So you'd have to put 5 of this and 10 of that and 15 of that, and it sounds like a lot of work, and you'd presume, well, do I make more money? No, it's a 50% fundraiser with all 3 companies have that available. The second company I found online, Popcorn something or other, they offered in 80 count master cases. So similar scenario, you have to buy 80 of this, 80 of that, and then if you want it mixed, because you're certainly not going to give a seller like 80 or 100 boxes at a time, $160 or $200 worth of product, you're going to have to divvy it out, buy your own little poly bags, use your own Walmart sacks, whatever. It's not going to look very professional. It's not going to be very effective when you try to sell it in a workplace. You want something that advertises for your brand and lets people know. Now, here's an alternative. This is the third company, the one that I'm suggesting. It's called Game Day Pop. It comes in a convenient carrier. You can see the handle here on it. And inside this box will be a collection envelope and will be a mixture of the most popular popcorn flavors. They're actually offering 10 here of the caramel corn, 10 of the kettle corn, and 10 of the cheddar cheese. A total of 30 units times $2 a piece, $60, which is the same as the pretzel rods and the candy bars and the other thing. That's the magic number, I'd say, in today's market. $60 worth is what you give the sellers, and then as they turn in the $60, you issue them another box. That's how their program works. You'll make 40, 45, or 50% profit depending on how many carriers you purchase. And if you'd like more info on that, I'd be happy to send you an email. Just fill out a contact form below. Thanks.